Hi guys. So in this video we are going to look about why do you want to learn Java. So all you know, like Java is a programming language, and you guys will be having a confusion like how the companies are expecting Java, how the companies are using Java. So okay, if I learn Java in the sense whether I will be able to clarify my doubts. What are the resources available for developers if I move into a Java developer? And next question comes here is like, is it worth learning Java? So this plays a vital role for you folks as a fresher or a experienced person. Once you are into testing team or from non-IT background, you want to move into an IT segment. This plays a vital role. Is it worth learning Java for me? So next comes the annual salary of the Java developer in India. So next, how to become a Java developer. So in this video, we are going to look about all these things. So first, what is Java? Java is a application programming language and a computing platform. So Java was found in the year of 1995, March 23. Okay. And third point is like Java runs on all the operating system. So this is the main point where the developers prefers Java programming language because it has been running in all the programming on all the operating system. So this plays a vital role. So next, what are the pros of Java? So first is like working with great teams. If you are into a team which consists of around, for example, we can take around 20 to 30 folks. So Java plays a vital role. So they will be creating different packages, and the different teams will be working on the different packages. First thing. Second comes the effective in writing large backend application. See, for example, if I take a application, uh, like I can just take a theater ticket booking application. So it takes n number of line of code. So that can be scripted in Java programming language. Third is like documentations. So if I get a Java update, in the sense all the documentations will be clearly given over there, and there are n number of libraries and great supports. So supports in the sense we will be looking that in the different segment in a different slide actually. So next comes the futures of Java. Java is called as an object oriented programming language. Second is secured programming language. This is a main thing where the companies in the sense banking segments, financial, non-financial, NBFCs are using Java programming language. Third is like platform independent. Java is also called as a platform independent programming language. This we have seen in the before slide as well. This is the main thing where the developers are preferably using Java. Third is like robust. Robust is nothing but it has its own ability to create its own application. If I got an error in Java, in the sense robust clears errors on its own. That is the third thing. And Java is a high performance programming language. This plays a vital role. So we can just see why we call Java as a high performance programming language again. So next, Java in industry. So first and foremost is banking segments. As I said before, NBFC, non-banking financial segments, and all the financial aided services are purely into Java programming language. So why they want to use Java? Since Java does not support pointers, we call Java as a secure programming language. This is the main thing where all the banking and non-banking financial segments are focusing into Java. So first is like TCS Banks. Banks is a software where all the bankings are using. So banks is nothing but a software. If we are depositing a particular cash in my account, in the sense I'll be getting a message, as well as in my passbook it will be printed. So for maintaining that, banks is being used. Infosys is using Infosys product is nothing but Finacle. So Finacle and banks is purely created on Java. But on the other hand, Finacle is 75% Java programming language, and 25% it falls under C and C++ on the other hand. But the majority plays under the Java programming language. So this is the main advantage. So next comes web applications. So in web applications, if I take example, I can just give you a scenario for IRCTC. The IRCTC website is nothing but Indian Railway Catering Tourist and Corporation website. This website was built with Java programming language, that is like advanced Java. We can just use the term called as advanced Java, where we can just create a web applications. So the backend code will be functionally purely based on the core Java concepts. So first thing. Second is like all banking websites, all the Indian banks website, major. For example, I can just take 70% of the banking websites are being created only in Java programming language. So this is the second industry we are about to look. And the third is like operating system. So which one of the operating system is being created with the help of Java programming language? Obviously, it is Android operating system. So other than that, all the day-to-day applications, for example, if I'm having an Android phone, the applications which I use over there, for example, Facebook, Instagram, Hotstar, Netflix, whatever it can be, that is purely created on Java programming language. And last is like resource for Java developers. Okay, so you got a doubt like, okay, I have just learned Java programming language, and if I step into a company, if I get some queries in the sense, how can I just tackle the situation? So for that, you can just take the reference of Stack Overflow website, where there are n number of developers who have created 1.2 millions of answers for that question, particularly, literally. So you can just take the help of that Stack Overflow and you can just clarify your project doubts over there. So next is like, is it worth learning Java programming language in India? Obviously, yes. Because here you can just see TCS company is paying somewhere around 4.49 lakh per annum. Capgemini is 5.36. Infosys is paying you 4.72 lakhs per annum. So these are the stuffs. Definitely you can just move into Java programming, or else you can just be a Java developer. So how to become a Java developer? First thing you need to know is like real hands training. You need to analyze where I can get the real hands training. That plays a fatal role over there. And second is like experienced faculty. Instead of learning from a fresher, if you want to learn in depth in the sense, first thing is like you need to know whether the faculty who is about to teach you is an experienced person. That plays a vital role, because if a topic is being covered, he can give you an example, he can narrate you, or he can just synchronize both the program with the other counterpart as well. Third is like the project plays a vital role. Once you are about to attend a particular interview, in the sense, they will be moving into a project and they will be literally asking you what are the projects you have done with Java. So first level is like beginner level, next intermediate, next is like coding practices, finally definitely you can become a Java developer. So that's all about this video. All the best for your successful career path. Thank you guys.